Mastering legacy CRM modernization. Legacy CRM systems are crippling businesses, and it's time to confront the brutal truth. Which specific factors are driving the need to modernize our legacy CRM system, and how do these key drivers align with its business objectives to achieve operational excellence? Modernizing a legacy CRM system is a critical step towards achieving operational excellence in today's fast-paced digital landscape. Several key drivers are pointing to the need for modernization, and these drivers are closely aligned with the organization's business objectives. The primary drivers for modernizing the legacy CRM system can be categorized into three main areas: technology, business, and customer experience. From a technological perspective, the current legacy CRM system may be 1. Outdated and incompatible, running on outdated technology stacks, making integration with other modern systems challenging, and resulting in increased maintenance costs. 2. Lacking scalability, struggling to keep up with growing customer bases, transaction volumes, and data storage needs, leading to performance issues and downtime. 3. Vulnerable to security threats, exposing the organization to potential security breaches and data losses due to inadequate security features and compliance with regulatory requirements. From a business perspective, modernizing the legacy CRM system can help address 1. Inefficiencies in manual processes, automating workflows, reducing manual data entry, and streamlining business processes to increase productivity and reduce costs. 2. Limited visibility and insights, providing a unified view of customer interactions, enabling data-driven decision-making, and improving sales forecasting and pipeline management. 3. Inadequate reporting and analytics, enhancing reporting capabilities, enabling real-time analytics, and supporting strategic business decisions with accurate and timely data. Finally, from a customer experience perspective, modernizing the legacy CRM system can help 1. Improve engagement and loyalty, offering personalized, omnichannel experiences that meet evolving customer expectations and preferences. 2. Enhance customer insights, capturing and analyzing customer interactions, behavior, and preferences to inform targeted marketing and sales strategies. 3. Streamline customer service, providing seamless, efficient, and effective issue resolution, resulting in increased customer satisfaction and loyalty. To address these drivers and achieve operational excellence, the organization should consider the following solution. Phase 1, Assessment and Planning, Weeks 1 to 4. 1. Conduct a thorough assessment of the current legacy CRM system, identifying areas of inefficiency, technical debt, and functional gaps. 2. Define the business objectives and key performance indicators, KPIs, for the modernization project, ensuring alignment with the organization's overall strategy. 3. Establish a cross-functional project team, including stakeholders from business, IT, and customer-facing teams. 4. Develop a comprehensive project plan, including timelines, milestones, and resource allocation. Phase 2, Requirements Gathering and Solution Design, Weeks 5 to 12. 1. Gather requirements from key stakeholders, focusing on business processes, user experiences, and technical integrations. 2. Conduct vendor evaluations and select a modern CRM platform that meets the organization's needs and aligns with its business objectives. 3. Design a tailored solution, incorporating the selected CRM platform, integration with existing systems, and customization to meet specific business needs. 4. Develop a data migration strategy, ensuring minimal disruption to business operations and data integrity. Phase 3, Implementation and Testing, Weeks 13 to 24. 1. Implement the modern CRM platform, configuring core modules, and developing custom components as required. 2. Integrate the new CRM system with existing systems, ensuring seamless data exchange and business process flows. 3. Develop and execute a comprehensive testing strategy, including unit testing, integration testing, and user acceptance testing. 4. Conduct training and knowledge transfer sessions for end users, ensuring a smooth transition to the new system. Phase 4, Deployment and Hypercare, weeks 24 to 36. 1. Deploy the modernized CRM system, phasing out the legacy system and ensuring minimal disruption to business operations. 2. Provide hypercare support, addressing any post-deployment issues, and fine-tuning the system for optimal performance. 3. Monitor key performance indicators, KPIs, tracking the success of the modernization project and identifying areas for further improvement. Phase 5, Continuous Improvement, after week 36. 1. Establish a continuous improvement cycle, gathering feedback from end users, and prioritizing enhancements and new features. 2. Perform regular system updates, ensuring the modern CRM system remains current, secure, and aligned with business needs. 3. Expand the CRM system's capabilities, integrating with emerging technologies, such as artificial intelligence, machine learning, and the Internet of Things, IoT. By following this structured approach, the organization can successfully modernize its legacy CRM system, achieving operational excellence, and driving business growth through improved customer experiences, increased productivity, and enhanced decision-making capabilities.